My name is Davide, and welcome to Simply Aloud. Let's assume that you go to work every day and you want to get your news stories on the go. You jump on your tram, on your car, or on your bike, since we are in the Netherlands, and you want to get the news. You basically have two alternatives. You have your phone, where you can check them in written form, or you have your radio, if you're in a car. There's no way in between that merges the two systems, the two methods. So we came out with this Simply Aloud, a system to get newspapers to give us news stories that we transform into audio articles with real human speakers for each language, and that you can choose and listen in your own playlist. This is our first integration with a news publisher in the UK, The Independent. You don't see it right now, but there's a whole website, and our widget is integrated right under the article. So you can click play on it, and very easily you can listen to it and to the next few articles, which is very useful if you are on the go, you don't have time to read the whole news story. It's also adaptable for mobile, and it's very easy to integrate it. It's just a few lines of code. This is our integration with a German newspaper. Original one. It's called the Bayerische Zeitung. So we also rolled out some German speakers. The widget is right here and right here and here. So you see, it changes colors automatically according to what is the style of the article. As I said, we were incubated in an accelerator in Germany a couple of months ago. So very quickly we developed a team of freelancer speakers for German. And we're going to have Dutch speakers within 3 weeks from now as well. There's also, for the young audience, chat spots for Telegram and Facebook. So you might want to use them because it's even quicker than a normal website. You just have to write as if it was a human person in the chat. Just it's a script that gives you the audio stories. We think we are at the right time in history to propose this solution because podcasts are booming right now, and we think that the way and the reason they are booming is that people like to select content. People are becoming more picky and like to choose more, and they like to listen to content. We are living now in a world where the content is slowly shifting from written form to audio and video, and we are here for that. And the plus of our service is also that you can reach audiences that you wouldn't normally reach, like the visually impaired. And if you are lucky enough to have a podcast service in your in your media publisher, which is something that is pretty common in England, you can have our service to attract your audience for audio from the long term. So, for example, if you had a podcast, you might get them to start with audio tracks that are very quick, like ours are, and then those could switch to podcast users. And at the end, you also have people that are more engaged because audio research shows that audio is more engaged in the written form. And finally, they just spend more time on your website. And the time spent on your website, never forget that. That's the key of all the metrics. We are a full team, a developer, a business person, which is me, a speaker, a head of all the other speakers actually, and a graphic designer. We don't have the freelancer speakers here. This is our partners, as I showed before, so I'm just gonna go quickly on this slide. And finally, we are working on a development for smart home devices. There's Amazon Alexa and Google Home right now. They are becoming pretty popular in the UK and in Germany. Rumor has it that they're coming in the Netherlands as well, so we'll be ready for that. We have 2 skills for Alexa. That's what a program for Alexa is called, a skill. And we have a simple one and a more elaborate one. I'm gonna talk to you through them if we speak later. And interestingly enough, the news stories are the 3rd most important thing for people that bought an Alexa Amazon device. Thank you very much. We are able to talk in Germany, in the UK, and even here today. Thank you very much.